Hello students, welcome in GK class. Today in GK class we will learn exercise 48 temple to visit. In this exercise we will learn the name of some various famous temples of India and the places in which they are located. In next exercise, awards in India, we will learn the name of some prestigious award given by Indian government. Let's start the chapter.
Look at this picture. It is the picture of Brideshwar temple. Brideshwar temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva in Dhanjavur, Tamil Nadu. This temple is one of the largest temple of it is Siddhi Vinayak temple. It is one of the richest temple in India. The temple has a small mandap with the shrine for Siddhi Vinayak, means Ganesha, Lord Ganesha, situated in Mumbai. Siddhi Vinayak temple is situated in Mumbai. Kamakhya temple. Kamakhya temple is situated a few kilometers away from the Guwahati railway station and is open for visitors throughout the year. This temple is in Guwahati, Assam. Meenakshi temple. Meenakshi temple is in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. The temple has a hall of thousands pillars and each pillar is carved with various sculptures. It is Somnath Jyotirling temple. Somnath temple is located on the western coast of Gujarat. The temple holds much importance in the heart of Lord Shiva devotees, as it is believed to house one of the 12 Jyotirling shrine of Lord Shiva. It is Jagannath temple. Jagannath temple is in Puri, Odisha. This temple is also well known for the annual Rath Yatra. Lingaraj temple. Lingaraj temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva and is one of the oldest temple in Bhubaneswar, the capital of the Indian state of Odisha. Lingaraja temple is in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Mahakaleshwar Jyotirling temple. It is located in the ancient city of Ujjain in the state of Madhya Pradesh. This temple is also dedicated to Lord Shiva. Dakshineshwar temple. Dakshineshwar Kali temple is a Hindu temple located at Dakshineshwar, situated on the eastern bank of the Hooghly River in Kolkata. This temple is located in Kolkata. Now we will learn the chapter Awards in India. Look at this picture. It is picture of Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian honor given for exceptional service towards advancement of art, literature and science and in recognition of public service of the highest order. Padma Vibhushan. The Padma Vibhushan is the second highest civilian award of the Republic of India after the Bharat Ratna. This award is given for exceptional and distinguished service. Padma Bhushan. Padma Bhushan is the third highest civilian award in the Republic of India, preceded by Bharat Ratna and the Padma Vibhushan. It is given for distinguished service in any field of a high order. Padma Shri. Padma Shri is the fourth highest civilian award in the Republic of India. It is awarded for art, education, industry, literature, science, sports, medicine, social service, and public affairs. Next is Dada Sahib Phalke Award. Dada Sahib Phalke Award is India's highest award in cinema. This award is given for outstanding contribution to the growth and development of Indian cinema and is selected by the committee consisting of eminent personality from the Indian film industry. Arjun Award. Arjun Award is given by Government of India for outstanding performance in sports and game. It is awarded by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Is Paramveer Chakra. Paramveer Chakra. Paramveer Chakra is the highest award for military service. It was introduced on 26 January 1950. Thank you and have a nice day.